A network collects data from stations contained in the network. In this video, I will demonstrate adding a station to an existing network directly in CampbellCloud. In CampbellCloud, select Stations and Networks on the left-hand side. In the Stations and Networks drop-down menu, select Tutorial Network. My tutorial network shows it has one station. Click the plus icon to add a station. Click Add a Station. Enter a name for the station. I'll call this station Logan Station 2. I will also add a description of this station. I'm using a climb of U50, so I will enter that here. Click Next. If I haven't already given permission, I will receive a prompt that CampbellCloud wants to know my position. Click Allow. The Add Station page opens, displaying a map of my current location with a pin marking my exact determined location. I can drag this pin to precisely adjust the location of my station. I'll place this station in the field behind Campbell Scientific. The latitude and longitude fields are filled in automatically, but if I want to include elevation, I need to enter that manually. Alternatively, if I prefer not to share my location with the computer, I can manually enter the station's location. Click Finish. Select the network the station is being added to. I'll select Tutorial Network. I also have the option to create a new network from here. The station is added to the network. I now have the option to associate an asset to this station or finish. Select Finish. I'll add an asset in another tutorial. The Stations and Network map now shows both stations. My new station is still gray, as I haven't added any new sensors to it yet.